Boniga nakora gukora some support for Machogu. Ere gavana ya Kisii.
Yes.
Ground ine kikire gore ya Machogu.
Ground ye kigo tanga. Kwa gole ripaka ngora I think ngora watch social media.
Nongotoga.
Eri upigie farasi. Uliko kuvote tena William Ruto.
Na yo kende yonzi wake kubwa kumubwekera we.
I can mean njembe kama cha kwa side ndene no bagavana. Moko ngakera.
Tutigo oyonde.
Moko ngakera la chikura. I'm telling you.
Togwaka.
Nikobono what I mean. Heri mzee. Kuliko enyewe mtu the worst thing akoleta. Maybe ndo bila akora Matiang'i.
Bioka.
Bioka akora Matiang'i. Bioka.
And that's the worst thing.
Umeta
alikuwa na Matiang'i akoma choka.
Alikuwa machoka.
Akogotebia. Korega siga. Aiga. Ahangwa wasira bananchi. Tubasabu kwabera tufixiga. Era gatiga.
Era logotiga lokorega. Era kore bintu bya Naruto nyaga akora.
Akinyatiga
Matiang'i. Umeta na tanga bantu abashap. Nchute bya gusinga ki gaki. Atigamba tebi. Tali gukama nguri yali. Maybe there's some scandal sago defend no meterutara akomanya kibo.
Bano.
Ago maybe ago avoid some scandal maybe to kumanya muntu. Because some issues maybe ejichira gera furushwe.
Kabisa.
No ate babangwana nago setasikite. Ningo tasikite. Njagaki ninde naini. Tige bunge bunu. Mora akora fast decision. Kirego. Tingo bade support muntu itone chebe ne ngombe.
Paka
no manyamata mbuya chiyero era manyanga ki amesecure city yaka za governor nebe bintu binchukite mna binchukite usibe kabona bya bete but naramo no muntu omugusi bono kobesha boy enjere yu nega asika
daligasi kobesha
ngirende jida okobesha boy da bono magia banta baba takatwa baeres
igase ke maina in a nutshell Machogu is gaining ground
sana
nuko mwakire campaign ge era okoro rejerende
Machogu ongini gejiri lakini njengo teba umuntu kwa line with the daktari and about a good vision one rango aknere
as simple as that and bwenzi
na ndege ndobona kere very kire kia unajua Matiang'i si ule mtu at you are a friend now nga maybe there are some favors ule tango tenga what I've learned from that man in this short period umetana bako sakanere kana ndagechu in the next minute esenge jebi tokete kwa kolire
as simple as that.
So tali muntu uri reliance ogatanga ki no abantu bali tikangote abantu bana bakubori apart from Machogu. You just work hard. Tebi abantu your agendas. Tebi abantu what you are planning to do for Gusii people. Gusii county. Shortcut hiyo.
Sell yourself to the people.
Nominations abantu bagweti. Lete certificate bono muomo gaka matemo gaka ndutu aralero muntu twakoletero muya oyo
kuraba
bono mugaka ningo kana because ni mwachori tali ero gwechorera
ni mwandetero oyi mwandetero ne ero
believe me not even these people Matiang'i acha nikwambia Matiang'i tali muntu wanjite bintu bya mobilization tigango tebi no ko chira lechi ko happen tari kote bantu nga ja kam mo chigali ngantu ali chigali that that's none of his business abago chambali through mna bona ngo ajire start
kerana asika na wate prado gali
ngogote gusana kwirite
I came there
no you are tigangote you are I know abantu bali bande aba chi aspirants there is no difference you know ba irite about the same thing kwirite
Matiang'i gane ya kuputwara
ndio sasa kwende na a set of nini
bas
aende hivyo
balibana bakumubwati
abantu these other people
juu yao
nego some people raising complaints njira bongo tamakomeka some clarification about abantu abagote anga kushikilia mambo ya koti ya Matiang'i antanga watu wale kungabagote abone babwatirete ngwe bale gotiteliande yanga shwe to those people abantu bali maybe bare insecure gotitelia ko bwatirero
nomination abananchi
bakochole Matiang'i achakira
akinye ngao gwande iga obwatirire goti ngapaka wewe
and remember mokua toro very serious kwa hii mambo ya nini tena registration nikuzilia hapo before to end of the next thing
actually it was even my next agenda on Tuko Card thing
Tuko Card
mtu akara kubegete chitisha cha Tuko Card mogotara ne vijana twango updates register vijana ya soka ko register
tiango tenga we have a very big challenge. Umetote ba one on one.
One on one.
Bisa nango iyo ga.
Bisa ngo iyo.
Ti bisa bantu barali barafu nyora ninja rabete problem. Kebe. We have a very big challenge. Of course, yes, to Amwiri. Ndumnamba gusi basically ngo kwana within Gusii region because I visited some places. Ndumna Gusii a very big challenge. Number one, abantu arombate the bad governorship. Batageti ibono ine ex number I can assure you.
Ondogorabo be
mamutaiti. Vijana wetu unaona venye mimi ama content creator na venye niko na motivate vijana pala online.
Yes.
Vijana of course wanakuwa na psych. Hiyo masaa kitu imetokea kama tuko kadi. But period ikiisha utaanza kuona period ikienda a certain time kwanza orogora gakora
kwenda ze cover
graph ya kwenda
kabisa.
Alafu abantu bakole ki relax. Kwarolire. So what should we do? Igali mashinani. Totaro. Yango te abantu mbabwate bibande. Bono but very reluctant. Youths.
Taibo.
They are very reluctant.
Ngise mbono window yoko register yabeta. Itokuliye njeroro cyaka bonje kana na Gusii.
My friend, onye ndokore gente ke design yelinga limo twatiga. I swear. I'm telling you, na ata ndokonyara. Do you know why? Okay, there is some of course some challenges in Jiro. Okonyora umuntu naro. Asibako bwatera chikurara atambe kurwali se bitunware umuntu naro metora mashamba imagwa ke sabu kangi sibi. Fair. Ngirane timbo ati fair. Ngikali ngirane. Nona. Basically, a big challenge to bwate. Abantu the officials of IBC they should address ebe somehow mobile at least mbakwenchoka mbakonyakwenchoka iga okonyara at least to register abantu abange. Barolire. So that's number one. The big challenge. Secondly, the aspirants. Osaini body ko boli chukura. Ekura tale ko karanse ko chere. I as an example we ko impact vijana babu ate chukura because unahitaji hizo kura.
Brand Kora.
Yes.
Akikuwa na Gusii, give them your last message. What to chokole show.
Message ilinda Gusii ba mento bali skali. Tubu ate chukura. Na lutobe very serious. Ase kirwega toko chukoliki wa presidency no mwana to Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Kama wewe ni mzazi uko pale nyumbani, obwato mwana agalika onya no mongi no legali. Around yeto chikote yanga no kobera nyomba to akakura. Tosoka so bongili tugeli ko cha 2027 mwaka uyu to akechikura. To make sure nga to abere 3.5 million.
Na to wika.
Voters. To sa 3.5 tole.
3.5 tole. Nelinga ndo mara register.
Mara register.
Yuko no gotebanga umugake karansi mwene family yae. Abo ulingo tara register. Enda mu register. Mukungu aligiriria bana baye bonse pimbokateki ba register. Bali yale ba kresi. Ate register. Ese yiyo mu Gusii katonyirwana.
We katonyirwana. We don't even 1 shilling.
We just want people to register.
Tutete a working system. Yoka. Metekeroleka. Ekero kolega siao gali it's very easy okonyora maybe a fee okonyora maybe chibesa chiko circulate. At least okole ibintu bya kama maisha ga barahisi.
Ine rege ndukia muntu
kabisa.
Sababu tuko Ligeli Matiang'i afixie system.
Ego.
Aba gusimbia muno sana sugerechinga kicheto au tatagerraga asitole na Brand Kora asirite ndo Brian.
Brian.
Bona boy. Ngagete mo enjoy. Ko nyoko bwati swali ndelions. Bole sa comment section. Kagimura mugani ninde ndavi anytime na ngo muleta ngambia muno sana mutigale bya yandra sana go follow mu kwa times. Bona ngere chi interview sina batati chinkali. Ndebwenso utagete interview rochenga no batento kwanira Matiang'i go so kwanira mu Gusii anytime ndavi ngoleteka. Namba nera ngakresim. Roma baraga niko support a initiative ya Brand Kora. Rojo ntoka netiko chaka. Mu kwa times na Brand Kora teko bengia.
Kabisa.
Collab etiko benkali ekera to kole what you call mobilization ya youths. Pasoke bakishukura. Tumira next time yamuna sana. Thank you bro for creating time.
I thank you for your time kwa. Na nikibaranga next naonda.
Ndakupigia simu.
Same time same place.
Thank you so much.
We inject forever. One on one wakora mboyo. Asante.